We all have habits we'd like to break. Whether it's biting your fingernails, smoking, or eating late at night. But, why are these habits so hard to break? Perhaps, you think your day is made up of deliberate, conscious decisions. But in reality, a University of Duke study found that 45% of your everyday behaviors are actions that you repeat every day and tend to do in the same location. These are your habits. Habits are attributed to one of the most primitive structures in your brain, the basal ganglia. The same region that helps control processes such as breathing and swallowing. In an MIT experiment, a mouse sits behind a gate of a T-shaped maze, where to the left is a piece of chocolate. When the door clicks, the mouse explores the maze, sniffing and scratching at the walls. First it explores to the right and then to the left, eventually finding the chocolate. A scan of their basal ganglia shows it's working furiously throughout the whole processes. However, after a week of training, the mouse runs immediately towards the chocolate once the gate clicks. At this point, there's very little brain activity once the gate clicks, and the brain doesn't fire back up again until it reaches the chocolate. Our brain seems to minimize effort and space, and this kind of automatic brain behavior is referred to as chunking. Chunking aids in creating a new habit pattern in cells of the brain. It's like a task you do every day that you no longer have to really think about, like brushing your teeth or backing out of your driveway. Skills that were once difficult to master, but now become automatic. This process is a 3-step loop. Step 1 is the cue, which for the mouse is the click of the gate. Step 2 is routine, run through the maze, and step 3 is the reward, in this case, chocolate. Cue and reward eventually intertwine, creating anticipation and cravings, another essential part of habits. Because we go into automatic mode during routines, our brains stop fully participating in decision making. Our habits will automatically unfold every time there is a cue. These habits can be so entrenched that the reward doesn't even have to be good. A study of habitual popcorn eaters at the movies found that they were minimally impacted by hunger, or how much they liked the food, and they ate the cinema popcorn regardless of whether it was stale or fresh. Our habits often overrule what we know is good for us. For example, a study of America's Take 5 campaign, to encourage citizens to eat 5 fruits and vegetables a day, found the program was effective in educating the public, but an assessment found that it did not change American intake, where only 11% met the goal. It changed people's intentions but not their habits. So what are you to do? Charles Duhigg, author of The Power of Habit, gives an example of buying a cookie every day around 3:15 p.m. at work. The cue is 3 o'clock, but the reward is a bit more complicated as a cookie can be a bundle of many rewards. It could be a relief from hunger, or an energy boost to satiate your craving for something sweet, or it could be a nice break from work, or even an opportunity to talk to people. Duhigg wanted to break his cookie habit, and after some trial and error, discovered that what he really craved was socialization that came from buying the cookie. So, around 3, he would get up and find someone to gossip with for 10 minutes instead. By using the same cue, and the same reward of socialization, he was able to break the cookie habit. But what about the habits that you don't always notice? Like biting your nails. Psychologists suggest that first you think about, when you bite your nails. Are you nervous? Or bored? In the case of boredom, nail biting offers a physical stimulation. So, next you need to mark down every time in your day you feel bored, and have the compulsion to bite your nails. Maybe that's 5 times a day. Maybe it's 28. But then you want to implement a competing response. Whenever you feel the desire to bite, you immediately put your hands in your pockets. Next, find a substitute that provides a quick physical stimulation, like rubbing your arm, or tapping your knuckles on the desk. This allows for one habit to be replaced by another with similar reward, but also uses the same cue. So, when you are ready to take on a bad habit, just remember. Figure out what your body is actually craving, use the same cue and reward that serves the correct purpose, and be patient to help build that new habit. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, or found a lot of value in it, do give us a thumbs up. This will help in supporting the channel. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more content like this. With that said, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.